Hey, Plant Pals, Mike the Kid Gardener, and this is just a very quick update video on the AeroGarden Sprout that has the purple basil growing in it. I thought I would show you how it's doing. It's doing beautifully. But with the AeroGarden Sprout, you see this little red light is flashing. And I'll show you how easy this system is to use. So I see this flashing light. Well, what does that tell me? It tells me that it's been 2 weeks since I started the unit. So these have been growing for 2 weeks. Every day I make sure I check the water level, which is getting a bit low, so I will definitely fill that. But while I'm filling that water level, I'll give it some food. That's what the light's for. The light's telling me that it's been 2 weeks since I gave it food. So I have to give it one capful of the AeroGarden plant food. And then I hold the button, it'll flash, and that'll turn the pump back on, and everything will start circulating again, and the plant will get its nutrients. I'm not going to bore you by showing you that, because I mean, you can figure it out. It's like I said, it's that simple. It's just put one capful of food in here, make sure the water level's full, hold the button until it stops flashing, and you're good to go. All right. That's just a quick update on that. Oh, I did want to show you this silly basil plant here. The thing that just wants to grow to the sky. I'm going to keep cutting it down, and then hopefully that'll force it to grow out. This was literally just one leaf I stuck in this unit here that had, it was a leaf that had a little bit of a branch on it, and it's growing like mad. So that's just some of the fun things I'm doing inside. And I'll update this entire unit with the other, as you can see, just a quickie preview look at some of the things that are happening down there, which is a lot. And I might as well show you up here too. Everything's growing like crazy. I probably will move one or two of the plants out so it has room to grow, because they're getting kind of crowded, although they do support each other, which is nice. You also want to let them have as much expansion room as they can, so they'll produce lots of tomatoes for you. It's all right. Any comments, questions, leave in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have an awesome day.